So I have this bunch of methi that I just bought, and now we start the process. What I'm gonna first do is that I'm gonna separate the leaves from this. I'm not gonna keep the stems, I'm just gonna keep the leaves. You can keep the stems that are extremely thin, but do not keep the thick ones. So I'm just gonna separate all of these leaves. So I have separated the leaves and I've taken a bowl of water here. I'm going to add the leaves in the water. And I'm going to wash this at least 3 to 4 times so that all the excess dirt is removed. As you can see here, the water is a little grey in color, so which means we have to keep washing it. So I'm going to wash it until the water becomes crystal clear. I have washed the leaves nicely and I'm going to let it dry for about half an hour. Once the methi has dried up, I'm going to take them in a bunch. I have chopped the methi and now I'm going to store this in an airtight container. You can also store this in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, but airtight container is also fine, and you can use this whenever you want to make some methi dish.